So yesterday I had a phone call with one of my subscribers, and he told me that he does not know how to draw the moving averages properly on the chart. And another one of my subscribers, he sent me a screenshot on WhatsApp asking about a stock. He was asking whether his analysis was correct. And I just looked at the screenshot. I looked at the stock on my trading view, and I realized that he too has not drawn the moving averages correctly. He thought that he had drawn the moving averages correctly, but when I told him to please check his settings, that is the time when he realized that his moving averages were not correct. Lot of people are using a single some indicator to draw all the five moving averages. Okay, but I prefer to draw five separate moving averages. So the default indicators that TradingView provides, I tend to use that. And I think for more than five indicators on the chart, you will need a pro subscription to TradingView. I already have a pro subscription to TradingView. I already have a pro subscription to MarketSmith as well. So I wanted to make this quick video to show you how I put these moving averages. I think you can put moving averages, 4 or 5 moving averages on the chart, even with a free account. I don't know about a free account, but let me give you a very simple advice. Whatever you do in your trading, always go with pro subscription. Forget about using free platforms. Okay, forget about using the free version. If you want to become a professional, you have to pay for these services because you want high quality, timely data. Free information is never valuable. Okay, you have to pay for good services, you have to pay for quality. Okay, remember that in mind. So, first, let us draw the two long term moving averages, which is the 150-day moving average, which is the green line, and the 200-day moving average, which is the red line. Then we will draw the intermediate term moving average or the medium term moving average, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Then we will draw the purple line and the orange line. The purple line is the 21-day exponential. The orange line is the 8-day exponential. So let me first delete all these moving averages. Okay, so now I have deleted them. This is a naked chart. And by the way, when you click on volume, okay, double click on volume. Here you can set, you can tick mark this. Okay, it shows the moving average and the input you put as 50. So this is the daily time frame chart. In this video, I will also cover the weekly time frame, but first let us focus on the daily. You put 50 here, don't check this and check this. Okay, click on OK, you will get that moving average. Now let us put our moving averages. The long term first. So I just write moving average simple. So I'll click it twice. Okay, because we want, I'll click it thrice because we want 3 moving averages. So first, let us put the 50-day. So blue color, 50-day. Okay, style blue, input 50. Okay. Then let us put the 150-day. So length is 150. Style green. Okay. Then let us put the 200-day. So style is red color. Input is 200. That's it. And hit save. That's it. Very simple. Nothing complicated here. Let's put the couple of exponential moving averages. So moving average exponential. I will click this twice. Okay. So first we will put the 8-day. Length is 8. Style is orange color. Please use the same color combination. Okay. Then here let's put the purple line. Input is 21 exponential. That's it. We are done in less than couple of minutes. We have drawn all the moving averages. Hit save here. That's it. Now any stock you put, let's say camps, okay, or let's say polymedicure. See, you get all these moving averages automatically. So we hit save. Okay, it's that simple. Now, if you want to move these moving averages here, you can see the value of these moving averages as I'm moving the cursor. Okay, so you have 6 moving averages on this chart, the 5 moving averages on the daily time frame, and 1 moving average on the volume chart. 5 on the price chart, 1 on the volume chart. So 6 moving averages. That's all you need. Because see, the first two are the short-term moving averages. They are used to manage the trade. Then the third one is the intermediate term moving averages, which is for traders. Okay, swing trading, positional trading, mostly position trading. For swing trading, you need the purple line. Then you have the green and the red, which is to do stage analysis to identify whether the stock is in an uptrend or not. Okay, so that's the that's how you put moving averages on your chart. Now let us look at the weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, now you see weekly, we have 3 moving averages here: 10 week, 30 week, 40 week. So similar, 10 week means 50-day moving average, 30 week means 150-day moving average, 40 week means 200-day moving average. So we are translating the daily to the weekly. Similarly, 10-week moving average on the volume. So you double click here, put it 10, style, make it blue, tick mark this. Okay. Then I will remove all these moving averages. Okay. Now let's put 3 moving averages here. Okay. So simple moving average. Wait, technique. No, wait. Moving. Yeah, use this because this is by default given by uh, trading view. Don't use the ones created by user. So I will click this three times. Okay, because you want 3 moving averages. So first let's go with blue color, which is 10 week, which is equivalent to 50-day simple. Then we go to the 30 week, which is equivalent to the 150-day simple moving average. Make it green color. And then we'll go to the 40 week, which is red color. That's it. Within 1 minute, we are done. Just save this. Okay. Now this is CAMS. You put anything. Let's put Artemis Medicure. You put any chart, you will get the moving averages. Okay. And if you remove the drawings, yeah, you will see the moving averages here. You will see the moving averages here. So you have the candlestick chart. You have the moving averages. You have the volume bars. On the weekly chart, we don't use short-term moving averages because the weekly chart itself is a long-term chart. So we need 3 moving averages on the weekly chart: 10 week, 30 week, 40 week. This is consistent with what you will learn in William O'Neill's book, How to Make Money in Stocks. So for my student who has asked this question, I don't take names of students, but for for that student who has asked me this question, I have created this video so that he can now set up the moving averages on his chart. TradingView is generally indicated with most broking platforms as well. So you can use the same method to set up the moving averages. Plus, if you are already using the moving averages, make sure that your settings are correct. Okay. You can cross check by checking MarketSmith data. On MarketSmith, yesterday I made a video on display settings where I set the same moving averages. So when you compare the MarketSmith chart with TradingView chart and you see the moving averages properly placed and in a similar manner, okay, you can actually check the charts and see that both the moving averages are placed exactly in the same way. Why is this important? Is because the moving averages help us determine whether the stock is in stage 2 uptrend or not, which is an extremely important basic starting criteria for us. Okay, so please remember that. Before I close this video, don't forget to download the checklist that I have prepared for you. Now I have added a third checklist. First is a swing trading checklist, second is a positional trading checklist, and third is a stock categorization checklist. So I made 3 videos, a 3-part video series on how to categorize stocks. Now, if you watch that 3-part video series, the summary of that, I have put it in the checklist. So if you want to determine whether a stock is comparatively, technically, and fundamentally strong, this checklist will come in very handy for you. You can take a printout of these checklists. These are not rules, these are guidelines. I don't spoon feed you. I don't give you the solutions. I I I encourage you to ask questions to yourself. Okay, that will allow you to not miss any factor. So this checklist will not contain solutions. It will contain questions that you have to ask yourself before you take the trade. Okay, so that the more trades you take, the more times you are going to ask the same questions. So after a while, maybe a month or so, you will not even need that checklist because it has become a part of your system. If it has become a part of your mental framework. So if you are taking a swing trade, you might not look at the fundamentals, but if you are taking a positional trade, you might look at comparatives, technicals, and fundamentals. So these are very important points. Do not forget to download those checklists. Those are very, very helpful. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. I will see you tomorrow in another fantastic video. Thank you so much.